An officer is called to a beach in Ohio after some teens reportedly exposed themselves to the lifeguards. The officer finds the suspects arguing with the lifeguards and throwing a shoe at one of them.
Hi, why'd you throw it at him?
Because she's provoking us. They're provoking all of us.
Okay, go and turn around for me.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back.
Hello, stop.
Oh my son.
38, 11, step it up. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Okay. Why are you arresting her?
Why are you arresting?
I want a taser point. Put your hand behind your back now.
Why are you arresting her?
Move. You move.
Why are you arresting her? Why is she getting arrested? Why is she getting arrested? Why is she getting arrested?
Stop.
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 No, stop.
Stop. Stop.
Stop.
Stop. 38 semi-units now.
Bro, I have asthma, bro. Can you get the off of me? Do I have
Stop
asthma?
resisting, okay?
I have asthma. Can you?
Stop. Now stand up.
Stop touching her like that.
Sit in this chair right now.
Why are you arresting her?
She assaulted a lifeguard, okay?
She's talking too much.
Doesn't fucking matter, okay?
Okay, no, don't let her. But still, shut up.
For what?
What's your social? What's your social? What's your social?
Bro, she literally up here provoking us and you're arresting
What's your social? So I saw you assault her, okay?
I threw a fucking shoe, but
It doesn't matter, that's assault.
It didn't hit her.
It hit him.
It didn't hit her.
Step back, or you're going to jail too.
How was it assault? She didn't touch her.
What is your social? Back.
You like to be slapped.
No, it has nothing to do with race, okay? Step back. What's your social? What's your social?
I'm trying to be nice.
Okay, I get that, but what's your social?
What do you need my social for?
To ID you. What's your social?
If you don't give me your social, they can take you to jail.
He's taking me to jail for no reason.
Listen, if you don't give me your social, you got to sit in jail for like
But she been in jail before, she knows.
What's your social?
It's Father's Day. You want to go home and enjoy your family, don't you? I got the same attitude. I don't be giving a about them too. But at the same time, when they're here to protect you, let them protect you.
They're not trying to protect me. They're arresting me because...
For what?
Because
What's your
this
social?
girl right here and this dude was provoking us.
Step back. You two, step back.
I'm not doing like that.
Step back.
Just step back for a minute.
Step back. It's not that hard. Or I'm taking you both for obstruction.
I don't care.
Step back. Step back. Step back. Step back. Get back.
I'm not doing nothing.
Get back. Okay, go ahead and turn around.
Oh my no, stop. No, what is you doing?
Stop.
You arresting her. Why is she getting arrested?
You sit down too.
Why is you
Get off.
Sit down.
Bro, get off me.
Just sit down. No, just sit down. Just
38, one more in custody for obstruction.
It's a resisting arrest. Just sit down.
Stop.
Bro, I'm sitting down.
Step back.
Sit
Bro, my
down.
dad.
Sit down and stay put.
Call their parents.
Stop touching me.
Call their damn parents. Call their parents, baby.
Oh my God.
Can you just get here, please? Okay. Stop. Now you're going to jail for resistance.
Stop. No, stop.
It's
Stop.
Father's Day.
Sit down. Sit
It's Father's Day.
down.
Call their parents, boo.
Show me around the 30-inch stall.
38, you by the lifeguard.
What's up?
Step back. All the way back.
Back up. He said back up, so back up.
Step back, bro.
They even apologize.
This is not about saying sorry. Back up.
Assault, obstruction, resisting, obstruction. He's about to go for obstruction. Go.
Back up. We're not gonna ask you again. Go up. We're not gonna ask you again. Go.
Do not touch my cousin, bro.
Stop. Stop.
He's all serious?
She'll go to jail.
I didn't do shit. What do you
So
mean?
I'm just trying. She won't ID herself. So
Well, she'll get ID down in the county. What does she would do?
obstruction and resisting.
She'll go to jail too. I didn't. Easy. Who is this, Dan?
Just a passerby just walked by. She's close. Just step back, man. Thank you.
Y'all not even getting our story before y'all arrest.
It doesn't matter. What I
Talk to me.
sit down.
Yo, dumbass. Stop. No, I don't care. I don't care. Oh my God, I don't care. Y'all not even listening
By the way,
to us.
Well, we can't figure it out right now.
I don't care.
What is your name? Your car right here? Yeah. Let's go.
Don't f***ing bro. Hey, go.
Hey, you get back. Get back. Get back, my man.
Bro.
Are you kicking me?
You talking to me?
Spit in my face.
Record this.
Sit in the chair.
Carlos, give me my phone, my boo.
Sit in the chair.
Bro, the cops is hurting me.
Are you gonna stop spitting in my face?
Yes, bro.
Back up.
Get the back.
Back up.
Get the back.
Back up.
If he interferes one more time, he's going to cuffs too.
I didn't interfere with
Hey,
nothing.
big dog.
I didn't touch nobody.
Go back on the beach.
You're hurting me, dude.
You kicked me and spit in my face.
I did not spit.
You did. You kicked me and spit in my face. You spit right in my face.
Y'all not listening to our side of the story, though. Y'all straight arresting us. Like, that's not how police shit go, bro.
Get in.
Don't you see me getting in?
No.
What's your social?
I don't know my social.
What's your name?
I don't know.
Okay, so you're failing to identify yourself? Okay. Just stay put. Do not get off that chair, okay? It's okay. All right, I'll get you a story in a minute when I get more units here, okay?
Go back on the beach. You're not staying here and mess with people.
I'm not messing with nobody.
Okay.
I'm supposed to watch. I'm supposed to take care of them. What do you know?
All right, then go sit down. Do not go near that car. Do you understand me? Hey, do you understand me?
I'm responsible for both.
Okay. Do not go by that car. Do not go by that car.
If this guy comes even near that car, go in handcuffs. Spit in my face.
What happened to your hand?
I did not do that to you.
When you were resisting, yes you did.
No, I didn't even resist
Let's
you.
go. Come on. What is your name? Did you give it to him? How old are you?
Can you stop grabbing me like
No.
that?
How old are you? Can you tell me how old you are, please?
No.
Or no, you're gonna have to tell me who you are.
Sorry about that, guys. I'm gonna step in the shade. Is that cool? Tell me exactly what happened. So when I rolled up, I saw her throw the shoe at you.
So I'm the supervisor on this beach,
Okay.
in charge of all the lifeguards, and I was down at Euclid Beach telling swimmers to get out of the water. And
Okay.
when I came back, Victoria told me that that group of 3 people, they were right in front of that second chair right there, and she came over and she...
The guy, I was just sitting there, he had kept kind of walking near me, and then he was facing towards me, opened his pants, and took a picture of his
penis.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna put her in there. You take a seat, please. What's your name? What is your name?
I'm not telling y'all because y'all just did that for no reason.
Okay, then you're gonna go to
I
jail.
don't care, bro. Take me. And I'm
How
gonna
old are
sue
you?
y'all. I'm gonna sue them.
You can't.
I can because they touched us first. That's what y'all don't get.
That's not
Y'all
how that-
doing that because they white.
That's
You're
not how.
black.
What?
You're black and you're taking up for them.
Okay, what is your name?
I'm not telling you.
You have to give us your name.
I'm not telling you.
Okay, that's fine.
Do you know her mom, like her mom or her parents, or?
Hey, no, Fox, down there.
I was gonna try to get her name.
Don't worry about him.
You telling her to go down. I'm responsible for them. You're not listening to me.
She's going down there to talk to the lifeguard.
Okay, did he show you his penis at all?
No, all he did was open his pants and do that, and then
Okay.
he kept kind of circling around. So I just told him, and then I came back here.
I went up and I approached them and I just said, one of my lifeguards just approached me and said, you just made her extremely uncomfortable. Can I just ask you guys to leave the beach? Like at that point they denied it. So the guy, he had,
The guy with the shirt off, correct?
Yeah, yes,
Okay, I had to go
yes.
ID him then.
That's my cousin.
Okay,
man.
what's their
What
names?
you doing, yo?
How old are you? How old are you?
18.
How old are they?
They're both of them 18.
Okay, what are their names?
Why? Why do you need?
Because they're going to jail.
Why?
Listen, they're in handcuffs. You see that, right? So what is their names?
But I'm saying, why are you all arresting
Okay,
them?
you're not listening to me.
You're not listening to me.
I'm trying to get their names and I will
You said
listen.
my people's going to jail.
And I'm
for
trying to
what?
get their names and I will listen to your story. Y'all are fighting, right?
Nobody was fighting.
Can you tell me their names? I'll gladly listen to your story all day long. Tell me their names.
No, you're not listening. You don't care.
Okay,
man.
that's fine.
You don't care.
That's okay with me.
His girlfriend was speaking up for him. She was saying like he wouldn't do that. Like I'm his girlfriend. He's also too young. And so I just assumed it was like a misunderstanding. I said, if you guys can I just ask that you don't approach my lifeguards again, and that'll be fine. I'm gonna keep an eye out, and you guys don't approach them. And then at that point they said no, like they wanted an issue, and they were asking to see her. And at that point she was in the shack because they just wanted to confront her. And so I said no, please don't. And I came back and they followed me, and I said if you guys like escalate this whatsoever, I'm gonna be forced to call the non-emergency number. And then from there I called my supervisor and I said there's 3 people sitting outside the shack. They're refusing to leave and they're making my lifeguard feel uncomfortable. And she said call non-emergency if they don't leave. So I went out and I gave them another warning. I said guys, like just go back to your stuff or I'm gonna be forced to call non-emergency. And from that point I called you guys. When you showed up, that was the first time they ever tried to escalate anything.
Okay. Are you okay? You don't need anybody need EMS? Anything?
Two different shifts.
I'm gonna need a statement from you and you. Okay, when he took the picture of his penis and stuff like that. Okay.
The first one over here in the chair spit in my face and kicked me. So.
Okay. So assault on a PO and then.
100%. You alright?
Yeah. When I was trying to cuff her, she tried to switch on me and
scrape your knuckles.
Yeah, that's fine.
Can I please have your name? I'm gonna ask you one more time. There's no point for you to go to jail for over not getting add another charge or whatever happened. I don't know what happened there. Okay, so listen to me.
Jemiah.
How are you guys related? You and the dude?
That's my cousin.
Okay.
That's his girlfriend. That's my cousin, that's my brother, and that's my son.
So he's the one who took the picture of his junk?
Oh,
He didn't take it. I
I don't
looked through
know.
his phone.
I have no clue about that.
Can you, I looked through his phone. I looked through it.
I'm gonna try to get his info.
I looked through his phone. Can you look through it so you can see?
Just give me 1 second, okay? Yo, what is your name? I know you hear me. What's your name? What is your name? Are you calling a parent or something?
Yes.
What is your name?
What?
Because you're all involved in this. We got the call about you, okay?
About me doing what?
What is your name?
I didn't do nothing.
You weren't leaving when employers asked you to leave?
This your little...
asked us to leave. We was trying to talk to the lady because she said I did some weird stuff, and I was trying to talk to
Okay,
her.
can you please give me your name?
But they trying to arrest her for assault. Auntie, she didn't hit nobody though.
I'm gonna ask you this one more time. Are you gonna go in handcuffs too? Give me your name.
Why?
Because you were involved in this whole altercation. Give me your name.
These are, they trying to arrest me now.
Can you write it down?
They say they trying to arrest me now too.
Is it Deshaun?
Bro, I don't know.
Can you focus?
Bro,
I will let you talk on the phone. Just focus for 1 second. Please tell her how to spell your name.
Talk to her.
Auntie, he just came down there. He didn't even tell us what he did. He just arrested them on spot. Auntie, look, man. They was arguing with some white girls at the thing because the white girls had said some weird stuff. You don't ask if she got her other phone, please?
Give me a second. I will ask her in a second. Relax. Give me 1 second, Ron.
I mean, what he did was weird and making them uncomfortable, but we don't really have nothing on him.
So you saying she getting charged with these, but when y'all came down here to arrest her, y'all didn't even tell us what y'all charged her with in the first place or what her charges was at all. Y'all just straight up arrested her. How can y'all just arrest her just like that from down there? She didn't do anything.
Whatever this officer saw was enough to try to detain, but the moment he went to detain...
But he said that she going to jail off her... She didn't do anything.
I'm not having this argument with you. The main thing she needs to worry about isn't even everything before, it's kicking and spitting on cops. Because that's going to be a felony. Sundays, man. It's always Sunday.
The suspect who was arrested first, Ajana, was charged with simple assault, disorderly conduct, obstructing and resisting arrest. The second suspect, Maya, was charged with obstructing and resisting arrest. They are both presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
People think officers get frustrated because somebody's loud. Most of the time, it's not the yelling. It's realizing 5 seconds into the contact that nobody plans on cooperating in the first place. That's what caught my attention here afterwards. Once the race accusation came out, the entire conversation shifted away from the behavior that actually started the incident. Being asked to leave somewhere because of disruptive behavior isn't automatically discrimination. But some people get taught early that accountability feels easier to reject than accept. The hard part about that mindset is once somebody truly believes every consequence is racism, they stop self-correcting, they stop asking, did I make this worse? And everything becomes external. Everybody else becomes the enemy. It's like trying to force the wrong battery into a device and then getting angry when it doesn't work. At some point, you gotta stop blaming everything around you and recognize the connection itself is wrong. And yes, officers know that feeling. Somehow, these calls always seem to find their way into the end of the week.